Hello students, welcome to Standard 7. Today we are going to learn chapter number 4, Simple Equation. Let's move. Definition of a variable. Variable is a letter or symbol that stands for an unknown number. Whenever an unknown number is given to you and you want to write something for it, then what you will use? You will use X, Y, Z or A, B, C, D, any letter you can use or symbol you can use. That symbol or letter is called a variable. Here examples are given. A, C, X, and a heart shape is given to you and a triangle is given to you. Now algebraic expressions. Now what is algebraic expressions? An expression consists of a combination of numbers, operations, symbols, and grouping symbols such as parenthesis, which is also known as bracket. An algebraic expression is an expression that contains one or more variables. Now here a simple expression consists of numbers, operations, symbols, and grouping symbols, while an algebraic expression is an expression that consists one or more variables. Means in expressions there are no variables, but in algebraic expressions there are variables. Let us see some examples of expressions. 3 plus 4, 6 minus 2. These are examples of expressions, means there are numbers, operation symbols means plus and minus are there, and a grouping symbols you can see. After that are algebraic expressions. 3 in parenthesis C plus 8 to A. Here also you can see that in algebraic expressions variables are there C and A. Here another example is there 6 plus 3 minus 1. Then 6 plus 3 is in the parenthesis, means you can see in the examples of expressions that numbers are there, some operation symbols are there, and a grouping symbol means a parenthesis is also there. While in algebraic expression all these things are there, but one new thing is also added, that is a one or more variable. The variable you can see C, A, X in the algebraic expressions. Notice that you don't see any equal signs. Here you can see that neither in expressions, neither in algebraic expressions you can see a equal to sign. Now reading and writing algebraic expressions. Now some verbals are used or in the while you are setting up an equation out of a statement, then these all kinds of verbals are useful for you. Now for when you have to do addition, then these all verbals are useful to you. Plus, sum, more than, increased, by, total, in all, added to. All these verbals are used means that you have to do addition or put a plus sign. After that is minus, difference, less than, subtract, decreased, by, take away, subtracted from. All these represent minus or subtraction. After that is times, product, multiplied, each, of. All these represent the multiplication. After that divided, quotient, divided by. All these represent the division sign. Other ways to show multiplications are that 5 multiplied by 6 or 5 multiplied by 6 can be written as 6 in the bracket. 6 in the bracket is there, that means that 5 and 6 are in the multiplication form. Or 5 dot 6 means whenever there is dot, that means that we have to multiply both the numbers. Other ways to show division: 12 divided by 6 or 12 by 6. 12 by 6 can be also written, that means that 12 is in the division form, 12 by 6. Now that we know the components of this expression, let's try to write an algebraic expression for each word phrase. Now here two phrases are given to you. First one, 4 increased by a number. 4 plus C. By a number means a number, we are not knowing any number. So instead of number, we are writing a variable that is c. Increased means plus 4 plus c. Another 25 less than a number means that some number is less than 25 means n minus 25. Just because we see 25 first in the word phrase doesn't mean that 25 is written first in the expression. You have to understand the given statement, and after that you have to write down whether that 25 or the number given will be first written or will be written second. Try to write this on your own. Add 3 to a number. Now we have to add 3 to a number. A number means an unknown number. For an unknown number we will write as n. So add means we have to need a addition sign, and what we have to add? We have to add 3 to a number means n plus 3. You can write 3 plus n or n plus 3. Both are correct. Now some number multiplied by 16. Now some number means any number, so for that we will take b. Multiplied by 16 means a cross will come or a multiplication sign will come. After that we have to write down 16. So it can be written as 16 multiplied by b or b multiplied by 16. Both are correct. Now try to translate or write the following algebraic expression into a word phrase on your own. This you have to write on your own. So the answers will be n minus 5. For n minus 5, you can say take 5 away from a number, or you can write that some number is subtracted from 5. 9 plus t. 9 added to a number. When we evaluate algebraic expression, we are substituting a number in place of variable, then solving for an answer. Evaluate each expression when a is equal to 12. Now some value of a or a variable will be given to you, and you have to find out the value of that expression. First a plus 3 and second is 17 minus a. Let us see. While putting a, instead of a we are putting 12, as we are given that we have to put instead of a 12. So instead of a we are putting 12. 12 after that plus 3 as it is. Then 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. So a plus 3 we are getting 15 when a is equal to 12. Next 17 minus a. 17 minus 12. A, instead of a we have to write down 12. So 17 minus 12 is equal to 5. So 17 minus a will be equal to 5 when a will be equal to 15. Now this you have to try on your own. For n is equal to 4. First 9 n, second is 14 divided by n. So 9 n means 9 multiplied by n means instead of n we have to write down 4. So n multiplied by 4 it will be equal to 36. Next is 40 divided by n. 40 divided by, instead of n we have to write down 4. So we have written 4. So 40 divided by 4 will be equal to 10. Now what is equation? An equation is a complete sentence that is either true or false. Equal to shows that each side has the same value. Here examples are given that what we have learned about the expressions and algebraic expression. Now algebraic expressions are there, but in that if there is equal to sign then it is a equation. Here you can see examples. X plus 7 is equal to 14. Now what value of x we will put? That something added to 7 will be equal to 14. We can put 7 instead of x. 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. So 14 equal to 14 means both on the left hand side and on the right hand side, both the side we are getting 14. Another 47 is equal to 50 minus 3, or y minus 6 is equal to 13. These are different equations. Determine if the following are expressions or equations. Now first one is given 7x. 7x, what will be 7x? It is not having any equal to sign, so it is an expression. 6 minus 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. This means that it is having equal to sign, so it is an equation. Third, 14 equal to 7 multiplied by 2. This is also having an equal to sign in between, so it is an equation. Next, fourth one, x plus 9 is equal to 13. This is also having an equal to sign, though, so this is a equation. So next, fifth, 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5 is not having any equal to sign. That means that it is an expression. Now, in your own words, tell me what a variable is. And second, write down at least 2 examples of variables. So first answer will be a variable is a letter or symbol that represent an unknown. And second, 2 examples of variables are C, X, N. You can write any for them. A, B, C, P, Q, R, S, T. Any alphabet you can write or any symbol you can write for the variable. Write an algebraic expression for each word phrase. Take 14 from a number. Then what will be the answer? N minus 14. Something we have to take from the 14 means some number means n, take away means subtraction, minus after that 14. 15 is decreased by a number, then what will be the answer? 15 minus n. 15 is decreased by a number. Decrease means we have to subtract it by a number means some number, that number is taken as n. Add 8 to a number. Now a number means something variable we have to take means n plus 8 or 8 plus n. Both the way you can write down. If we evaluate each expression when x is equal to 9, 7 plus x. Now x value is given to you as 9 and you have to find out the answer. So instead of x we will write down 9. So 7 plus 9 will be 16. X minus 3. Now x again here also we have to put x is equal to 9. So 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Equation. A statement which states that two algebraic expressions are equal is called an equation. Some examples are there. 3 is equal to x minus 5. Here you can see x minus 5 is algebraic expression. A equal to sign is given over here and 3 is there which is a constant, means 3 can be also said as algebraic expression and x minus 5 is also an algebraic expression. Next examples are there. 3y minus 2 is equal to 8. 6 minus t is equal to t plus 9. Linear equations in one variable. The equation involving only one variable in first order is called a linear equation in one variable. 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. 8 minus y is equal to 2. 7 plus a is equal to 15 minus 3a. Here you can see that the variable, only one variable you can see. In the first only x is there, only y is there, and in the third a is there. Coefficient, a number used to multiply a variable. Here 5x minus 3. 5 and x are in the multiplication form. So 5 will be said as a coefficient, x is a variable and 3 is constant terms means which will never change. 3 will remain as 3 only. A linear equation is also called a first degree equation as the highest power of variable is 1. Example of linear equations are x plus 4 is equal to minus 2. Here you can see that power of x is 1. Means x square, x cube, that all things are not given. Only x is given. That means that its power is 1. So whenever x plus 4 is equal to minus 2, this kind of equations are given, then they are also known as first degree equation. 2x plus 5 is equal to 10. 5 minus 3x is equal to 8. Formation of equation from statement. A number increased by 8 is equal to 15. Find the number. Statement is given to you and you have to form the equation. Let us see the solution. Let be a number x. Now we don't know the number, so we will take one variable, that is x. Given the number increased by 8 equal 15. Now what is given in the statement? That a number increased by 8 is equal to 15. That same we have to copy down. The number means x, increased by means addition we have to do, that means plus. After that 8 equal 15 means equal to 15. X is equal to 15 minus 8. Now 8 we are taking on the other side, so it will be equal to minus. So we will put instead of 8 minus 8. 15 minus 8, it will be x is equal to 7. Now formation of statement from equation. A equation is given to you, 2x plus 5 is equal to 10. Now we have to write down a statement for it. 2 times a number. Here you can see x. For x we will write down a number, and how many times it is multiplied by 2. So 2 times a number. Plus means increased by how much? 5. So 5. Then equal to sign is there, so we will write down is equal to, after that 10 is there. So the statement will be 2 times a number increased by 5 is equal to 10. Another, x minus 5 is equal to 12. 5 subtracted from a number is equal to 12. Here x, for x we will write, here 5 is there, so 5 subtracted from a number. So whenever we are writing for subtraction, so whatever digit is given, that we will write down first, and after that the first whatever it is given, variable or digit, that we will write down afterwards.